Do you ever wonder what the wealthy do differently to maintain their financial success? Are you tired of feeling like you're always one paycheck away from disaster? Well, it's time to level up your financial game. Once you get money, there are a few things you need to do immediately to set yourself up for success. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets the wealthy use to stay ahead of the game. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes because these tips are going to change your life. Upgrade your food. The concept of the ramen years is a common experience for many young adults who are starting out on their own trying to make ends meet. During this time, every penny counts and they have to get creative with their resources to make ends meet. They may have to downsize their living quarters, limit social outings, and even sacrifice some basic needs. Living off cheap food becomes a necessity during this time. However, it's not just about surviving on the cheapest possible food. It's likewise about making the most of what you have. And when you finally start making more money, your perspective on food must necessarily change. You need to realize that food is not just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your body and fueling your mind. You should begin to make smarter choices and opt for healthier food options that give you more energy to focus on your work or training. This also doesn't mean you must give up all your favorite foods. The goal is to increase the quality of your consumption while reducing the quantity. Instead of going for the KFC bucket with 30 wings, you should rather opt for a smaller portion of a high-quality dish that satisfies your taste buds and leaves you feeling satiated. Ultimately, making more conscious food choices will improve your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Change your wardrobe. When it comes to fashion, it's not just about buying the latest trends and expensive brands. It's about investing in high-quality pieces that will stand the test of time. Take a cue from the rich and stylish. They may seem to be dressed similarly, but it's because they prioritize timeless and classic pieces over trendy fads. Instead of filling your closet with fast fashion items that fall apart after a few wears, invest in pieces made from high-quality, longevity fabrics. Consider a classic Burberry trench coat that can last 30 years or more with proper care. By choosing quality over quantity, you can simplify your wardrobe and eliminate the clutter of excess items you rarely wear. If you're unsure about how to build a wardrobe that will stand the test of time, start by researching the concept of a capsule wardrobe. This is a minimalist approach to fashion that involves selecting a small number of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. With a capsule wardrobe, you can streamline your style and focus on quality pieces you truly love and will wear for years. Work on your schedule. Once you get the money, it's not just about having the financial freedom to pursue your passions. It's also about having the luxury of time. Suddenly, you don't have to scramble to fit everything into your schedule. You can outsource the mundane tasks that used to eat up your time, like grocery shopping or cleaning the house, and focus on the things that truly matter to you. But it's not just about outsourcing tasks. It's also about saying no to things that don't align with your values or goals. When you have money, other people naturally want your time and attention. But you have to be selective about who you give it to. You can't say yes to every coffee date or networking event. You have to prioritize your time and only spend it on things that truly matter. The key to creativity is having a clear mind and a clear schedule. When you are constantly busy and stressed, it's hard to tap into your creative potential. That's why it's important to take time for yourself, whether that means meditating, reading, or taking a relaxing bath. These moments of solitude and reflection can be incredibly nourishing for your mind and soul. If you are looking for inspiration, one great resource is audiobooks. They allow you to learn and grow while doing things like walking in nature or taking a long drive. Clearing up your schedule would make you realize that having money is not just about buying things or pursuing your dreams. It's more importantly about having the freedom to live on your own terms and make time for things that truly matter. Change your location. Choosing where to live is a decision that can have a massive impact on your life. Your geographical location can influence your career path, social circle, hobbies, and political and religious beliefs. For example, living in a city center could mean you are closer to the action and opportunities for career advancement. On the other hand, living in a more rural area could mean a quieter lifestyle and more time to enjoy outdoor activities. But it's not just about the location itself. It's also about the specific neighborhood and community you choose to live in. If you're looking to settle down and start a family, you might want to consider a neighborhood with good schools and family-friendly amenities. If you're a young professional looking for a vibrant social scene, you might want to live in an area with trendy bars and restaurants. Starting from the bottom can be a difficult and isolating experience with few opportunities and a lack of community support. However, moving to a new location with better job prospects and a more supportive community could be the boost you need to succeed. Give in to more convenience. Fast walking is indeed free, but sometimes taking it slow and enjoying the scenery can be worth it. However, time is money for those who are always on the go and need to get where they are going as quickly as possible. Let's draw an analogy. While tap water, like many other things, is free, some people still choose to pay for it. In other words, many people pay for premium subscription services even though they can access similar content for free. This is because sometimes it's about convenience or quality, and it could just be a matter of preference in some other instances. Another good example is how flying private may seem like a luxury reserved for the ultra-wealthy, and supposedly so they are always willing to pay a premium for that convenience. Life is too short to waste standing in line. Sometimes it's worth paying a little extra for convenience. Convenience is something that money can buy, and you should be willing to pay for it once you start stacking up the dough. After all, time is money, and you can always make more money, but you can never get back lost time. Change your beddings and linens. Growing up poor, you often make do with what you have, including the sleeping situation. But as you age, you realize how crucial a good night's sleep is for your overall health and well-being. It's not just about feeling energized throughout the day, but also affects your mood, productivity, and immune system. Sleeping on an uncomfortable bed or pillow that doesn't provide enough support can lead to aches, pains, and stiffness, making it difficult to perform everyday tasks. That's why investing in a quality mattress and pillow is essential, especially if you spend a lot of time in bed due to illness, injury, or other reasons. One of the biggest misconceptions is that a high-priced mattress is always the best one. In reality, there is a wide range of options at varying price points, and it's important to do your research and find the one that works best for you. Similarly, when it comes to pillows, there are a variety of materials to choose from, so it's essential to experiment and find the one that provides the right amount of support for your neck and head. And of course, no discussion of bedding is complete without mentioning the importance of high-quality linens. A high thread count linen can make all the difference in the world when it comes to the comfort and breathability of your bed. Not only does it feel amazing against your skin, but it also helps regulate your body temperature throughout the night. All in all, investing in your sleep is one of the best investments you can make. Not only will it improve your overall health and well-being, but it will also have a positive impact on every aspect of your life. Take greater care of your face. It's true that our physical appearance can significantly impact our lives. Beyond just fixing those physical attributes that we dislike, there are other things we can do to enhance our appearance and boost our confidence. For example, investing in quality skincare products and caring for our skin can make a huge difference in how we look and feel. But it's not just about our outward appearance. We also need to care for ourselves on the inside. Eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep can all contribute to a more attractive and confident appearance. However, it's important to remember that physical appearance is just one aspect of your identity. It's not the most important thing, and certainly not the only thing that matters. So while it's okay to want to look our best, we shouldn't become too fixated on our physical appearance to the point where it negatively affects our mental health or overall well-being. Upgrade your house cleaning services and subscription for essential items. Outsourcing trivial tasks in your life can be a game changer in terms of freeing up your time for more important things. For instance, instead of spending hours cleaning your house every week, you can hire a professional cleaner to take care of that. You can even request that they use eco-friendly cleaning products or use specific cleaning techniques to make your house sparkle. But it's not just cleaning your house that you can outsource. You can also hire a personal assistant to help you schedule appointments, organize your inbox, or even book travel arrangements. This can be especially helpful if you have a busy schedule and need someone to help you stay organized and on track. While outsourcing is an excellent way to free up time, it's also important to maintain certain activities that bring you joy, such as walking your dog. Another great way to save time is by setting up autopay of your bills. This way, you won't have to worry about missing any payments and will have more time to focus on other important things. Essentially, outsourcing can be a powerful tool to help you save time and make your life easier, but finding a balance between outsourcing and maintaining the things that bring you joy is essential. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what to do as soon as you hit the jackpot and get your hands on that sweet cash. But remember, getting money is only the beginning. What you do with it next can make all the difference in your financial future. Following these tips can set yourself up for success and secure your financial well-being. And as always, do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.